My course, I'm teaching it from the point of view as a composer. I'm not a musicologist, and I'm not a guru. I'm not lecturing in my course. I'm not teaching you anything. I'm trying to experience various types of music. I have a collection of music from all over the world: Taoist music, Buddhist music, Sufi music, voodoo music, Christian music, and that's just the beginning. And we listen to it, and my interest is in hearing what you feel about that music. How do you respond to it? Because when I taught my course at the University of California for 20 years, I taught improvisation, music improvisation. I began to experience over the years in my improvising that there's various levels of interaction between the body and the mind and the feelings to music. And when you examine the history of people who examined psychology of music, for instance, in Indian music, the Hindus, they have a whole system of chakras, and each tone goes to a different place in the body. And I noticed that myself, because when I compose, certain tones, for me, subjectively, evoke certain mental, emotional, or physical reactions. So when I taught at the university, I take a consensus. I sit at the piano and I play a chord and a note. And I'd ask everybody, where do you feel that in your body? And most of the times, about 80% of people agreed where they do feel it. So what are the elements? The elements are consciousness, being, the dynamics of music, levels of music, and styles of music. And we discuss each one of these elements as a separate class. Of course, these subjects are constantly intermingling, so you can't separate one thing from the other. Well, as a wind-up here, what is music and spirituality? I want to try an experiment, okay? All the men here, would you please sing this note? Would you try that? Come on, guys. Now I'm beginning to hear you. I'm hard of hearing, so you go. And now all the women sing. Now sing that together. All right, the women are going to sing. Let me hear it. Did I get it right? Let's hear it. Oh, the man. All right, all together. Again. Now hold it. Hold it. Keep going. Okay. That's the sound of the universe, okay? That's my first lesson. Thank you.
Thank you.